kinda punch in your mouth. Like that.
Hi guys! Nag-iyak-iyak naman ako guys. Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning guys! It's 8:11 already. I just woke up a while ago. I feed the animals. I thought you were playing. You give up? I wanna see you play. I thought you were playing. Ay nako, okay, I'm just gonna eat. I thought you guys are playing. I guess you are bored. You're done. So mama have a little bit of mongo and salmon early in the morning and coffee. That's it. Are you done? Are you done playing? Are you done playing? Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Roxy, 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 Roxy. I love you, Roxy girl. Roxy girl. And hi, Mitikong, Mitikong, Mitikong. Go na, Mitikong, go. I love you too, baby. Guys, can you look at me, guys? I was editing right here. I was editing right here, and then suddenly, boom! Somebody jumped high to come up on my back, and then, aray, I have to make him comfortable because this is crazy bag. Bug, oh! I see your balls. I see your balls, Bug. I see your ballsy. Ballsy. I see your ballsy. Don't put your butt on my head, please. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you shitting me? Are you? Oh shit! Don't put your tail in my freaking face, my eyes. You hurt my eyes, Bug. Ay naku, wait. Ay naku. Freaking snake. This is snake. It looks like a snake. Snake, no. Don't slap my face, hoy. Ay naku, Bug. He's peering, guys. He's peering. Oh, sugar, Bug. Bug, are you okay? I just give you your food, Bug. Look at the position, guys. Look at the position, guys. Okay. Do it properly, please. Hey, do it properly, Bug. You're such a bug. Oh, I'll put you right here, okay? Ay, nako. Bug. Ay, nako. Nako. Himusan lang dito akong baby. I love my baby. Oh, I love my baby. Do you want to say hi? No. Hi guys, I was really nervous, guys. Anyway, I just want to say, yesterday when Tommy was here, I wasn't like always on my laptop. Well, I'm editing the video, but I'm not on my Facebook all the time because they're here, So when they finally left last night, and then I opened my Facebook, my two Facebook accounts, and then I saw this like Marawi thing, like this, the Marawi, the Muslim area, which is, you know, I feel bad with the Mara now. Now I hear that the bad people went over there, OMG. And then last night when I was lying down, I'm like shaking, guys, like, oh, I'm shaking, like, you know, when you are nervous, I feel like I was there. What's going on in this world, guys? It's too much. Like, why people have to kill other... I just put something on my face right now because I'm planning to film a thing, okay, mukbang, and question the answer. And I'm gonna, after the mukbang thing, I'm gonna film again with a different video. And yeah, ayaw ko na hikutin tong buhok ko, pero sige, hikutin ko na lang. Oh, ayun na. Anyway, what are you doing? What are you doing? Are you serious? What are you doing? She's trying to do her. Oh, si Pipi. She do her business. How about you, Mister? Did you go? No, of course not. Move, move, move. Anyway, I'm planning to film mukbang, but I decided with the Mongo, I'm gonna have a little dailies. I'm gonna make dailies, guys, to add some of my food, because you know it's kind of boring to have just the rice and the Mongo vegetables. It's nice to have a light kind of punch in your mouth, like that. You know, if there's no punch, just punch yourself. It's gonna be good. What? Maliit lang. Pang palaway-laway sa inyo ba? Maliit lang. Kasi nagtitipid ako, guys. I kinda tipid this. You know. Smells good for me. Yun guys. Oh, maliit lang niluto ko, guys. Just very little. Gamay lang akong kainin, guys. You know, if you know, Mongo is very filling. You know, makes you busog agad. Busog agad, guys. Basta Mongo na. Ang bango talaga niya. Oy, super spicy soka with this. Oh my goodness. You will see this. Probably you will see this before this video, or probably you will see this before this vlog. Because you're hola. Sarap nito, guys, as in. I am done filming. I'm done. And I'm full because I was filming mukbang. Huh? Why you can see my bug? Oh, bug! Hi, bug! He's coming, guys. He's coming. 3Ds? No 3Ds. I just give you tuna over there. I give you tuna right there. Oh. Nice and sunny. Hi guys! Nag-iyak-iyak naman ako, guys. I don't know, guys, if you feel the same thing when you are watching something, a drama, a talk show, anything that you watch. Look at that. It's just keep going down, guys. It's not even funny anymore. Okay. Every time I watch a video or anything that is very emotional, like love story, real life talk, I think every one of us does. Some people doesn't do. It's a freaking thing. But you know, anything at the talk show, I'm watching right now the talk, I always cry, guys. Especially if somebody will cry, I just cry. Like, I just freaking cry. I can't control myself. Oy, nako! What did you do to my laptop, you crazy dog? No. So every time they cry, I will cry. And every time something, you know, the story about life is like, you know, look at this one. She just wanna be on my lap, and that's what she is. And I love her so much. She's my puppy still. She's still a puppy to me because she cry like crazy. She cried like a baby. Why this chair is making noisy, Rock? Daddy doesn't put this chair right? Look at this. Anyway, guys, yeah, that's why I was like kind of teary-eyed. Like they're talking about something harassment, sexual harassment, and one of the talk show hosts crying. It makes me cry. I bring the dogs right here upstairs. I bring the dog upstairs. That's my purse, Roxy. Roxy! No. And of course, Habs is right there, snipping everything. Ay, nako. Misty, that's my camera over there, Mitch. Down. Down. Down, Misty, down. Hello, guys. I just hung up to Tommy, guys. And you know what I did, guys? It's so yummy. Leftover steak. And yeah, a leftover steak. Hold on. Ay, kina-cover ko naman yung ano, ay. Yeah. So, I'm just recooking this thing. It smells really good. I hope you can smell it right now. smells good. A lot of garlic, and I put onion, and then I seasoned it with the Maggi Sabor, and then that's it. Are you hungry? Ay nako guys, sobrang sarap nito guys. Tignan nyo lang sa panglayo. It's so good looking and it smells so good. Honestly, hindi ko yan isama yung mga oil guys pero sobrang sarap niya talaga, as in. Yeah guys, lunchtime guys. I am having the steak that I make. Well, you know, recook from the other night with Tommy and I and my mother-in-law. So I'm just gonna have this one. There's no vegetables, no mongo. No mongo. I forgot to feed the cat. Shucks, I have to feed the cat first. It's 8 o'clock already. I just feed the animals. I feed myself and close the blinds and everything, and I'm gonna go sit down, edit the video while watching the Survivor. It's a finale today. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning guys. I'm just gonna do insert shout out guys. I have a headache right now because uminom ako kagabi. We had a kinda barbecue party over here, and uminom ako kagabi, so now I have a really bad headache. To those people that want to be in a shout out and then they want Tommy, you know, I can't do Tommy all the time because if Tommy is around, that's the only thing I can do. And then if he's around and if he's tired, that means he can't do it. So anyway guys, I'm gonna do insert shout out anyway, even though if you guys want Tommy. Tita Carlos. Hi Tita Carlos, thank you for watching. Also shout out to Jillian and Adanza. Thank you for watching. And also shout out to Gabriela Altaonian. Hi Gabriela, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Sally from Hong Kong. Hi Sally, thank you for watching. Uminom ako mga 2 or 3 margarita kagabi, so yeah, that's why. Shout out to iPhones. Yep, hi, thank you for watching. And also shout out kay Eileen Love and to her daughter Iris Christine Ulila. Hi guys, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Rose Magno. Hi. Oh no, not Magno, Manago. Rose Manago. Hi, thank you for watching. Mukbang tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow is mukbang. Bye-bye. Anyway, guys, I'm just gonna watch this Survivor thing on TV, and I will be right back. I'm gonna end this vlog. I'm just finished watching the Survivor. Sarah win. I'm finished with that, so I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Right, do you want dried fish in it? There's anyone, no? It's not gonna be this fun, it's more tasty. No funny fish.